Are you tired of being tied to the grid? Discover the freedom to explore without limits. The ultimate off-grid generator is your ticket to ultimate freedom and reliability. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, road tripping in your RV, or preparing for an unpredictable power outage, this compact powerhouse has got you covered. Say goodbye to noisy, gas-guzzling generators. Our eco-friendly design harnesses ambient energy, providing consistent power without harming the planet. Inspired by Nikola Tesla's genius, it's not just a generator, it's a revolution in energy independence. Imagine enjoying the serenity of nature without the disruptive hum of traditional generators. With its whisper-quiet operation, you can truly relax and enjoy the great outdoors. Built tough to withstand harsh conditions, it's the perfect companion for any adventure. From charging your gadgets to keeping essential appliances running, the ultimate off-grid generator delivers reliable power wherever you are. Ready to embrace the freedom to explore without limits? Click the link in the description to learn more and get your ultimate off-grid generator today.